And a very, very good morning to you guys. So just got done doing a bunch of mobility, stretching, hanging out in the hot tub, doing a Hot Tub Tuesday chat, live Instagram. Pretty cool, getting a chance to answer some questions, do some shit in the morning, and chat with you guys. Whew. Sitting 2:45 this morning. Oh, probably a little dehydrated. Knee does not hurt at all. My knee feels as fucking good today as it ever has, so stick to the plan. That's the tricky part once shit starts feeling good, is you start thinking, I don't have to do the rehab anymore. Stick to the plan. That's what got it to stop hurting. So, I'm my boy Bo, and oh shit, had some stuff to do in the garage. So let's do the intro, and I'll see you guys in there. Alright, first things first, this needs some decorations, right? Some flair. So I got flags. Old Faithful. For show. I think I'm gonna run both. Please forgive me for not being as careful with the flag. I'm not very smart. Don't give up the ship. Right on. Thanks, flags. That way. Fuck. That time of day, let's do some cardio, do some rehab, get my fat ass on the bike over there, and we're gonna do some knee stuff, some occlusion like normal, keep making progress. Really excited that this is the first week my knee hasn't hurt. Mentally I can't explain, or not first week, like first day, today. Like I woke up today, no fucking pain from surgery. No aggravation, still walking with a bit of a limp, but that's just because I've got some strength stuff to sort out. We're gonna start sorting that out. Apparently instead of rehab right now, I have a job interview. It's over the phone, so I don't have to sweat it too crazy. Let's go see what these guys have to say. Always worth checking out your options.
Otherwise, please wait, and you will be joined into the conference.
See how this goes.
Go through 4 general areas with you this morning. The first are a couple preliminary questions we ask everybody we put through this process.
Sure.
And so before I get started though, I wanted to see if I could...
Job interview done. Great talk with those guys. We'll see what they say. They're gonna reach back out to me next week and see what they say. I mean, the truth is, I want to just pursue hate brand, but I mean, I have other skills and contacts that are worth a lot to other companies, and so you got to hear those people out. Sorry, a little obscene there.
Atrocious. What? Atrocious. What?
Good rehab session, man. Things are feeling right. Today is like the very first day with no knee pain. So, not trying to kill it and make it fucking hurt. That's definitely not the goal. But I can actually do the rehab exercises and push and give them effort and just fatigue the fuck out of the quad. Yeah, man.
What are you doing?
So not a lot of footage other than rehab that day, which I did a shitload of. It's like the first day my knee hadn't hurt at all. And so, you know, strike while the iron's hot, right? Isn't that what you do? Isn't that what it's called? Oh, but what's going on? But yeah, so, you know, keep making progress on the rehab. It's still doing the same stuff. I'm starting to actually see some muscle come back into that right leg, get rid of some of the atrophy I've got going on. And you can see that whole workout I did, you know, utilizing the occlusion training with that knee wrap that I've got hiked up around the old hip, mushing my junk into a weird location, but that's all right. So that's it. For those of you guys working on your knee or rehab or anything like that, just remember it's the consistent stuff that gets it done. It's never going to be the one day that's made or broke you. And you got to keep hammering at it. So I'm going to have some coffee. I'm going to start my day with some awesome friends. I think I'm going to go try and do some more rehab this morning. Till then, spread hate, always party.